Is Instagram down? Is Instagram account suspended? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Instagram right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with Instagram. A lot of people are complaining about their account being suspended, banned, and decreasing, losing followers. So this is the main problem with Instagram right now. To fix it, you should try to reinstall your app, log out and then log in again. You can also try to restart your phone and also to clear the cache and the data from settings. And if you still have problems, you should go to your profile, then click on those three lines from the right top corner, go to settings, and then go to account. And after that, sorry, you don't have to go to account, you have to go to help. After that, you can click on report a problem and then click on report a problem once again. And now you can briefly explain what happened with your account. So you have to know that you are not the only one who has problems with Instagram right now. I think you don't have to worry about it. They will fix this as soon as possible. You will get your accounts back because this is a problem from Instagram. You don't have to worry about this. So if you do have issues with Instagram, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can tell me if it's still down, still not working, or if it's working right now. You can briefly explain me your thoughts, your questions. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified once we post an update. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.